Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 52, and the topic is the months of the year. We know there are 12 months. Let's read what are these: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. See, in this place there are 31 days in January, 29 days in February, and sometimes we will find 28 days. We will learn when this will happen. March, there are 31 days. In April, there are 30 days altogether. In May, there are 31. In June, there are 30. July, there are 31. August, we have found 31 days. In September, there are 30 days. October, there are 31 days. November, there are 30 days. And in the December month, we have found 31 days. After this, we will get some question, and if we answer those, then this topic will be clearer for us. Let's start a number exercise. Look at the calendar, answer the questions. A year in which February has 29 days is known as a leap year. If you want to find it out, that time you can divide the year by 4. If you find there are not remaining, that time it will be leap year. Like if we take 2024 and if we divide it by 4, then what we will find? There are 5 and 0 and 2. Here we can, and there are also 0 and 4. So it has divided without remaining anything. So that's why this year is leap year. It means this year the February month will finish with 29 days. Now we will write rest of the questions answer. 1 number question: how many months are there in the year? We know this is so easy, 12 months. Which month has the shortest name? This is so easy. Here it is given May. May is formed by only 3 letters. So this question answer will be May. Write the names of the 3 months ending with ember. This is here September, October, November, and there are another one also, December. From these 4 you can write any 3. So let's write here September, November, and December. Which month has the longest name? This is so easy. This is September. September, we will write the name here September. Which month has fewest days? This is also easy. We discussed it already. This is February. See here, February. If we find it is leap year, then the month will be finished by 29 days. Otherwise, it will finish by 28 days. Which month has fewest days? This question answer will be February. In which month does your birthday come? You will write by yourself. My birthday will come in November. Name the month in which Christmas comes. This is so easy. It will be December. Write the names of the 4 months that have no letter R in them. Here we can see these are which are those. Like May, there is no R. June, there is no, and July, there is no R also, and August, there is no R also. So 8 number questions answer will be what? May, June, July, and August. B number, we can write the names of most of the months in a short way. Copy these short forms and learn them. Here January, it will be Jan, Jan. February, Feb. March will be Mar. April will be same thing, it will not be changed. May, no change. June, no change. July, July is July, okay. August, UG. September, SAPT. October, OCT. November, NOV. December, DEC. So you will copy this in your diary or another place, learn this properly, because this thing will come frequently in your life. Today we have finished another page. This is from Junior English Book 2 and the page number is 52 and the topic is the months of the year. Bye for today.